Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a survey form. First, clearly define your survey's objective. What specific information do you hope to gather? Next, identify your target audience. Understanding who you are surveying helps tailor your questions effectively. Finally, determine the key data points you need to collect to achieve your objective. This foundational planning ensures your survey is focused and yields valuable insights, saving you time and effort in the long run. A well-planned survey can provide actionable data. Now, let's craft effective questions. Always use clear, concise language to prevent any misunderstandings. Consider various question types. For instance, multiple-choice questions are great for quantitative data, while open-ended questions offer qualitative insights. Aim for a mix that suits your objectives. Crucially, avoid leading or biased questions that might influence responses, ensuring your data remains neutral and reliable. A well-designed question set is the backbone of any successful survey, providing accurate information. With your questions ready, it's time to build and distribute your form. Choose a reliable online survey platform. Many offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces. Design a user-friendly layout, ensuring it's easy to navigate on any device, from a desktop to a mobile phone. Then, distribute your survey through the most appropriate channels, whether it's email, social media, or embedding it on a website. Aim for a response rate of at least 20% for meaningful results. Finally, let's analyze and act on your collected data. Once responses are in, organize them systematically. Use your survey platform's tools or spreadsheet software to identify key trends, patterns, and insights. Look for common themes in open-ended responses and significant percentages in quantitative data. The goal is to transform raw data into actionable information. Use these findings to make informed decisions, implement improvements, or guide future strategies, ensuring your efforts lead to tangible outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.